Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to another JD show. Today it's about LookSmart. Yes, I got 3 new mods from LookSmart. Actually, the first time I'm having LookSmart here in my videos. Collector's model, not a toy, unsuitable for children under 14. Ferrari, Italian flag, and of course officially a licensed product by Ferrari. And let's have a look on the packaging. This is like a hard cardboard here. You can slide it open to the top, and then you have some protection here for the acrylic case. There's acrylic case here on the inside. There you have the acrylic case. Then we have it. We have some stickers here on the side to secure it. You can open it like this. And then here we have the model. And this is the Formula 1 car from Lewis Hamilton, the SF-25, the winner from the China sprint race in 2025. And we have the same mechanism here as the Spark models with that key on the base. You just have to turn it to the side and then the car is unlocked. Look at this crazy details here in the front here. These antennas. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy details. Then here you have the racing helmet from Lewis, the steering wheel, the hands and arms of the figurine. Pretty nice details here with all the brands. Let's get a bit closer. If I can focus it, yeah. Yeah, you can see the details are pretty sharp. And you can see the small details here in the front. Yeah, so if you're watching this on the TV, this might be too close, but I just want to show you the details here. Oh, the small, is that printing? I would say it's printing, it's not decals. Oh, these details also here on the base. The small parts here. All this carbon fiber. Yeah, that's a pretty detailed model. And rolling pretty good. And it is screwed together. And I'm not sure if this is plastic or is it resin. And the body is very cold here, so this might be matter. Yeah, that's a pretty good model. That's a pretty good model. And I think that's the first Lewis Hamilton Ferrari we see, isn't it? I do think so. So let's put it back on the base here. It's a pretty nice stand. And then we can maybe make it like this. And then let's check the other two models. So same packaging. Put it like this for the display here. And yeah, sorry, I'm not talking right now, but I'm concentrated, I'm focusing. I don't want to mess anything up here because of the small details we have. I don't want to break anything. And I don't want to scratch anything here. So, here we go. We have the Ferrari 499P number 51 AF Corse winner Le Mans 24 Hours 2023. And the number 50, the AF Corse winner from Le Mans 24. Ah, okay, this is number 51. This is number 50 from 23 and from 24. You can already see some differences in the paint job. Here the black wing, here the yellow wing and the yellow stripe here on top, and then here the cockpit is yellow and we have some yellow back here and down there. So we have the driver names also here. Same here at this model. There's 3 different drivers, and then we're gonna, you can see here is the mechanism. You just turn it to the right and then the car is loose. Yeah, we're gonna do it with the other one also. So yeah, look at this. Rolling pretty good. Not just okay, it is pretty good. And look at all these details. The tires again open here from the top. You can see the tires through the body. And this is all metal. Yeah, it is metal body and metal base, I would say. Yeah, it's definitely metal base. And again, look at the antennas here. You see this, the antennas, and also here one in the front. And this small, is there a gap here in the middle? No, it's not. It's a separate piece coming through the body. Wow. The headlights. And also here you have these separate pieces here on the side. Then the side mirrors. We have reflective stickers. And look at the carbon fiber here on the wing. Wow, very nice model. And this one here, here we have a, is it the same in the front? Yeah, I think it is the same. I thought the front was a bit different. No, it's not. It's just because of the paint job. We have the Italian flag down here. And all these stickers on the tires. And then here the green striping, the red striping. And all the small antennas also. Yeah, I think this paint job looks a bit better. This is the 24. Yeah, this is the 24 car. The paint job looks a bit better. I like the yellow here more on the inside of the wing. And here on top here, down there. And all the details here on the side. Let's have a closer look on how sharp these are. There. Pretty good. Pretty good. The Michelin. V-Power. HP. Shell. Very nice mods. Yeah, that's all I can say. These are very, very nicely done. Very nicely done. Yeah. It's the same here on the wheels, also with the green and the red stripe. And I really like that you don't need a screwdriver or anything. And rolling pretty good. And the bases are pretty nice also, so it's also a nice presentation. And then I can show you here again. You also have the LookSmart logo here, and here you have this little mechanism. You can see that. So you put the car on top and then secure it like this. And you can also here, so that it is holding it in place. It cannot open on its own. So you just put the car on top and then lock it. And it is secured. Yes, very awesome. Oh, the camera just jumped. Yes, very awesome cars. Very nice to have the Lewis Hamilton F1 car now in the collection. And these 499Ps have been very popular lately. And yeah, very well done by LookSmart. Very well done. Yeah. So is there something else on the packaging? No, there's nothing else on the packaging here interesting. Just the Ferrari licensing, the 24 hours licensing. Produced under license LookSmart models. Yeah, pretty good. And yeah, again, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about these, and have a great day.